Another day, another story. Unlock secrets of magic plant neem. It's important to emphasize that while rhodiola rosea has demonstrated promising anti-cancer effects in preclinical studies, more research is required to validate these findings and determine their effectiveness in human subjects. Cancer treatment is a complex and multifaceted field, and the best approach typically involves a combination of conventional medical treatments, such as surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation therapy, along with the guidance of healthcare professionals. Here is some more information about rhodiola rosea and its potential anti-cancer properties. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Rhodiola rosea exhibits strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial in cancer prevention and treatment. Oxidative stress and chronic inflammation are closely associated with the development and progression of cancer. The antioxidants present in rhodiola rosea help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce inflammation, potentially reducing the risk of cancer initiation and progression. DNA protection. Rhodiola rosea has been found to have DNA protective properties. It helps prevent DNA damage caused by various factors, including environmental toxins and radiation exposure. By preserving the integrity of DNA, rhodiola rosea may contribute to the prevention of genetic mutations that can lead to the development of cancer. Modulation of immune response. Rhodiola rosea has been shown to modulate the immune system, potentially enhancing its ability to recognize and eliminate cancer cells. It may improve the activity of natural killer cells, which play a crucial role in detecting and destroying cancer cells. By supporting immune function, rhodiola rosea may contribute to a more effective immune response against cancer. Chemoprotective effects. Some studies suggest that rhodiola rosea may have chemoprotective effects, particularly in protecting healthy cells from the harmful effects of chemotherapy and radiation therapy. It may help reduce treatment-related side effects and improve the overall well-being of individuals undergoing cancer treatment. Stress reduction. Chronic stress has been linked to an increased risk of cancer and poorer treatment outcomes. Rhodiola rosea, as an adaptogenic herb, helps the body better cope with stress by regulating stress hormone levels, reducing anxiety, and improving mood. By promoting a state of balance and resilience, it may indirectly support cancer prevention and treatment. It's important to note that while rhodiola rosea shows promise in these areas, it should not be considered a standalone treatment for cancer. It is essential to work with healthcare professionals and follow evidence-based cancer treatment protocols. Rhodiola rosea can be considered as a complementary therapy to support overall well-being and potentially enhance the effectiveness of conventional treatments. However, individual responses may vary, and it's crucial to discuss their use with your healthcare provider. Apoptosis induction. Rhodiola rosea has been found to induce apoptosis, also known as programmed cell death, in cancer cells. Apoptosis is a natural process that eliminates damaged or abnormal cells from the body. By promoting apoptosis in cancer cells, rhodiola rosea may help inhibit their growth and prevent the formation of tumors. Angiogenesis inhibition. Angiogenesis is the process of forming new blood vessels to supply nutrients and oxygen to growing tumors. Rhodiola rosea has been shown to inhibit angiogenesis, thereby potentially limiting the blood supply to tumors and impeding their growth. Metastasis suppression. Metastasis is the spread of cancer cells from the primary tumor to other parts of the body. Rhodiola rosea has demonstrated potential in suppressing metastasis by inhibiting the migration and invasion of cancer cells. This may help prevent the spread of cancer and improve treatment outcomes. Enhanced chemotherapy sensitivity. Rhodiola rosea has been investigated for its ability to enhance the sensitivity of cancer cells to chemotherapy drugs. It may help overcome drug resistance and improve the effectiveness of chemotherapy treatments. However, further research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms and potential clinical applications. Radiotherapy protection. Rhodiola rosea has been studied for its radioprotective effects. It may help protect healthy cells from the damaging effects of radiation therapy while sensitizing cancer cells to radiation. This dual action could potentially enhance the therapeutic outcomes of radiotherapy. Supportive effects on cancer patients. Beyond its direct anti-cancer properties, rhodiola rosea may provide supportive benefits to cancer patients. It has been associated with improved quality of life, reduced fatigue, and enhanced physical and mental well-being in individuals undergoing cancer treatment. Antioxidant and detoxifying effects. Rhodiola rosea exhibits potent antioxidant properties, which help protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This antioxidant activity can help reduce the risk of cancer development and support overall cellular health. Additionally, Rhodiola rosea may aid in the detoxification process by assisting the liver in eliminating toxins and harmful substances from the body. Immune modulation. Rhodiola rosea has been found to modulate the immune system, enhancing its ability to defend against cancer cells. It may stimulate the activity of immune cells, such as natural killer (NK) cells and T lymphocytes, which are crucial in recognizing and destroying cancer cells. By boosting immune function, Rhodiola rosea may help improve the body's natural defense mechanisms against cancer. DNA repair. Rhodiola rosea has been shown to have DNA repair capabilities. It can enhance the activity of DNA repair enzymes, which play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the DNA structure. By promoting DNA repair, Rhodiola rosea may help prevent genetic mutations and abnormalities that can lead to the development of cancer. Stress reduction. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on overall health, including an increased risk of cancer development. Rhodiola rosea is known for its adaptogenic properties, meaning it helps the body adapt to and cope with stress more effectively. By reducing stress levels, Rhodiola rosea may indirectly contribute to cancer prevention and management. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is closely associated with the development and progression of cancer. Rhodiola rosea possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. By mitigating chronic inflammation, Rhodiola rosea may create an environment less conducive to cancer growth. Hormonal balance. Rhodiola rosea has been found to have modulating effects on hormonal balance, particularly in relation to stress hormones such as cortisol. Maintaining hormonal balance is crucial in cancer prevention, as certain hormone imbalances can contribute to cancer development. By promoting hormonal equilibrium, Rhodiola rosea may help reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers. It's important to note that while Rhodiola rosea shows promise in these areas, more research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms of action and its specific effects on different types of cancer. It's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before using Rhodiola rosea or any other natural supplement as part of a cancer treatment plan. Thank you for your interest. And I hope this information provides further insight into the potential anti-cancer properties of Rhodiola rosea. Continue.